It's just a positive vibration we want to bring now to the world so people can get to know St. Elizabeth a little more up close and personal. And you know what I say? And Nadia represent and I make you know what I want. And go what to eat. Not tell me about the rice, know it. Boom. Because I know we are all a vibe and you know what I say? So come up in with everything going. You know what I say? Yes, there's a farming place. You understand? Everybody look to the earth which is the Lord, you understand, and the fullness, so I have to just stick to the roots and the culture, you understand? So when you leave town and come down off a spiritual and come down, you come in at the bread basket, yeah? Watch how you cut it now. Yeah man, so, you know? Lovely cabbage. Yeah man. All a vibe with the cabbage and, you know? Say it big man. You understand? And look to the farmer because everybody go around the farmer like the farmer are the most important people in the world. You understand? Farmer feed the world and the nation, you know. And the greatest man that without food we can't survive and we can't live. So it's a farming and music, yeah? Herbs are the healing. You see that? It generate current, you know what I say? So that's top side of the place named Rosehill on the mountain top there. You understand? Nice view. Think about it, lovely. It does nice for the place. And we're there so all night daytime and we are eat lunch or something. And an alternate energy too, you understand? So everything blessed about it. Scientists are complaining the whole globe gets warm. Bigger heads are complaining about the oil price gone. But when they check it out, car and bus and yam can. Turning the east, watching the blow. Every youth we know try to uplift themselves within farming, you know, school, and no matter how much high school or university them want to go, them always come back and do a thing with the earth. You understand me I say? Because Sente is a place of crime free, you understand? It's a more positive vibe, it's a vibration with the people and the earth, and you know what I say? St. Elizabeth produce everything. Scallion, thyme, tomato, melon, garlic, carrot, name it, you understand? Sweet potato, you understand? Yam, you understand? Cassava, everything man, everything. The soil is so rich, so the people them have that kind of richness about them where them always self-employed, them not too like to work with people. You understand? So them work for themselves, them sweat for themselves. Because you know, when you pay yourself, you get better paid. You understand me? I say so. So them people have to stick to the roots and pay themselves out of the earth. The Bible don't tell us that the earth is the land and queen is the after. We just go back to that, brethren. There is no other way. You understand me? I say? Please accept from me my sincere plea. Hear me now, Jah, as I come to thee. You're all on the altar of Jah. Well, the significance is to keep it cool. You understand? Rafi, see the difference? Because, you know, the dirt is more cool. Moisture is very rich into the earth, into the soil. You understand? So you keep it cool, like you mount it back up like this. You understand? So you might be up the thing, you know. So when the rain falls, the sun not too suck up really bad stuff on the earth, but the grass keep it cool, you understand? So just the positive vibe, the natural mystic, you understand? See, thing that blossom up and thing. The highest mountain there is, with you around the world I go, the deepest ocean I'll swim. Ooh yeah, baby, come into my love zone, baby. With a 1,700 feet above sea level, so you must know the attraction and the beauty and the vibe where it's bringing. You understand me I say? I love us deep in here, and two lovers hook up and jump off them.
It's 3 miles, but there's a trail. If you take that trail, it's 5 miles. It's an hour and a half down and 2 hours back. I'll make your dreams come true. Doing the things you want me to. Making love until the night is through. Singing our love song, baby, singing it tonight.
Yeah man, right now we left from Lover's Leap and right now we're the flagger man, you understand? Touch up all them fruit thing, yeah. Melon, real thing. We don't have to use the knife, you know, because we're in the bush and in the farm, you understand? And knife do over there, so. You understand me I say? And we can't reach your body and the time heated and we are all of us, so. You understand me I say? Marshall melon, see ya. That's the vibe, bro. I eat all the melon, you understand me, King? And cool off yourself, yeah. Got sent to them.
She said, son, did you take time to know her? I said, Mama.
Want to hear something? We have to plant it up because the soil of it till. It's cold with kids, I it pay well light bill. Now sit down pan no corner, but we are chill. I just yesterday we got 100 ya me hell. A last week we'll sell some high grade for your mill. Police cut it down but we plant it back still. Cause can't fi drive then the house of a bill. Me tell them eat, watch them grow, and grow, watch them eat. Not about that tell them about a country man, them fi do it. Eat, watch them grow, and grow, watch them eat. Not tell them about no. Yo, that's what I tell them saying no.
This choice